Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of Chill, Relax, Plant content where we talk about the good, the bad, the thriving, and the dying plants in our collection. And we try to learn the best way to grow our plants so that they don't die. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, would like to participate, contribute to, or you just want to hang out, hit the subscribe button. Let's be friends. So today I have like a little mini plant haul for you. I gotta stop myself. I really do. I don't know. So first I'll show you the plant that I went into the store for, and kind of give you the reason why I went into the store for. And then I'll show you what plants I ended up leaving the store with. So, yeah. Let me know if you're the same way. You have a thought, you see a plant, you have a thought, and then you go back and I don't know what happens. You just end up with more plants than you anticipated buying. So yeah, we're gonna start off with, I actually got two of them because I want to pop them together. This. So this is the Scindapsus Silvery Ann. And I had originally saw this plant at my local nursery a couple of weeks ago, and I wasn't sure if it was a Silvery Ann or if it was just another Argyrius, so I didn't get it. And then I saw Jacqueline Jungle's Scindapsus video explaining the difference between the two, and I was like, they were definitely Silver Anns, and they are. As you can see, most of the silver is at the ends of the leaves. And so I went back and they still had some. So of course I had to pick them up, like, of course. They are a little thirsty. I do have to give them a drink, but yeah, I don't know. I thought they would look cute, and I have a lot of other types of Scindapsus. This wasn't one that I was like on the hunt for, like was willing to buy online, but I saw it in person and I liked it. So yeah, we got the Silvery Ann. And also while I was there, I walked, you walk in and they had this whole display of Trascantias, and I got a few. What was I gonna do? So the first one I picked up, there's no specific name, it's just Trascantia, but it's a green on green, and it's like a thick leafed Trascantia. And I just thought, let me get out of the view. Like, it was just really pretty. I really liked how it trailed. I like how Trascantia will start to trail and then come back up, and you can like almost see where the light shifts and how the plant bends and forms itself. I think that's really cool. So I got this guy. I think it's just really cool looking. Yeah, and I really like Trascantia. I think they're relatively easy. You can put a whole bunch of different Trascantia into the same pot, and they make beautiful displays that are low maintenance and easy to care for. So I got this one. And then I saw this guy. And again, I was like, ooh, look at this dark purple. It has like it's like a dark green and then like a dark purple on the back. And it looks almost black. It's such like a dark foliage plant. It's called the Trascantia Purple Fuzzy. And yeah, I saw it and I was like, you're gonna be in a Trascantia display. For sure, definitely. You're gonna look good. And yeah, so I'm kind of thinking about potting these two guys together, but I feel like these leaves are so much larger than these. I might have to do like a whole repotting and Trascantia display rearranging. And if I decide to do that, we'll make a video and I'll show you kind of like my process and how I do it, and what I think about when I'm putting plants together to make displays. So those were those two. And then I saw this plant, and I've had this plant before, and I have one little piece of this plant still alive. It's the Trascantia Nanook. And it's kind of finicky. Out of all the Trascantias, this is the hardest one I've ever tried to grow. But it was flowering. I don't know if you can see that little itty bitty flower. I hope you could see it. But yeah, it has this little cute little flower. And I just had to. I had to. There was just no way I couldn't not. But anyway, we're gonna try again. We'll see if this guy wants to live with me or not. But I love the dark purple on the back. It almost also shines through the plant, so you have the whitish purple and green look of the leaf. They do stretch for the light, but I think it would look cool to see if I can get this guy to trail. Not sure how that would work or how I'd do it, but if we could figure it out, I would think that would look really cool as a trailing plant. And maybe put these two together because they kind of have the same leaf shape or same size leaves, and that's like a good contrasting color display. We'll see. Okay, the next plant I bought is kind of like, I have a piece of this plant, but it's a sad piece, and so I saw this and it's nice and full. This is the Monalisa Lipstick plant, and it looks good. It's nice and compact. I know these guys can trail, and they flower, from what I've seen other YouTubers say, pretty easily. So I'm gonna add this to my other regular lipstick plant to kind of fill it out and bush it out, and yeah, hopefully we'll have some lipstick flowers soon. But I just thought that is like really nice. Nice, bushy, compact, like healthy plant. And how can you say no to that? Okay, now the most expensive plant I bought. I bought it because my sister's been looking for this plant, and I like the plant as well, so I figured like we could just like split it. Was the string of coins. These guys have very succulent disc shaped leaves. They're very cute. We have a whole bunch of new growth right here. I hope you can see. If you would focus. Camera does not want to focus today. But we got a bunch of new growth coming up. I think you can see that a little better. So yeah, and I think this would look really cool. I'm pretty sure this plant would trail, and I'm excited to see it trail. So the string of coins, yeah. So yeah, that was my little haul. I went in for the Silver Ann, came back with some coins, some Trascantia, some lipstick, and yeah, now we have to find room for all of them. So yeah, which one out of these guys are your favorite? Are you more into the succulent type plants? Are you into the trailing Scindapsus plants? Are you a Trascantia fan? Do you make displays of your Trascantia? Let me know in the comments below. Or are you just, you know, a nice solid green type plant does it for you as well? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, relax, plant, and peace out.